लोशनब होनो है वफम से खतने याबना और सिगी वफम सिंह असिदा मखोइना करी करी थबक पाइखले कमाइना पाइखली करी करी कमाइना तौननब होनरिगे हाइबगी मतंगदा चप चाबो वफम अमंग असि बौदा मियाम ममांगदा गवर्नमेंट असिना पुथोक्तबसिना गवर्नमेंट सिगी मागी अकाउंटेबिलिटी IDP resettlement की प्रोसेस दा अकाउंटेबिलिटी सिगी लेतबा अमदि खंगदबसुना मयामना मोइसि थबक तौरिदा तौदिदा हाइबगी माइतबा दिबो ममलै aduna we want to appeal to the Honorable Governor as well as the Chief Secretary of the State in relation to our Delhi memorandum, reminder memorandum that we have been consistently submitting to board of the office, and we have been appealing them to fast forward the process of resettlement as per their assurances given during our last meeting in July 3rd with the Honorable Governor himself. Therefore, this process should not be delayed, and we also want to know the steps taken up and the latest development and the progress of the process of resettlement, and it must be made public by the current administration to the people of Manipur so that the anxiety, the anxiousness of the IDPs should not remain, as high as it is. We want it to be diffused in some ways. We want to give them hope. Therefore, we want the current administration to convey on the process of resettlement and its progress till date. Otherwise, the IDPs are now desperate and they want to, again come out on the street. They want to, intensify their agitation, which is not a good thing for us. So we appeal the Honorable Governor and the Chief Secretary of the State to please, take it as an urgent matter and inform to the public regarding the development and the progress of this ongoing process of resettlement. Thank you. Mga numit asida koi mafam asimaktada koi numit taraga mangani subagi koi resident protest phamjarama matungda koi kokomi gi apunba miut punga mathoi na saba maruena women wing gi masing amade koi kokomi gi core committee amade executive committee gi members sing yaur kanda mioi kun mathoi amade tongan ba IDP gi committee sing gi leaders sing yaur ga Moirang College ta hangi ba koi relief camp ta koi ngarang ahing lenjarubani hariba khongjang asi ekoi mamangda lauthok chakibe metungina takak naina ekoi IDP singa magi magi mayumda hanjanba ngamdri phawba ekoi masi pendaba amadi IDP singbu matam chana mayumda hanjanba phangdabagi nungaitabasi ekoi sa yaujrakanda makoina leliba punsi maing asida saruk yaraga awaba phongdokpagi ekoi nungaitabadu phongdokpagi campaign ama koina chathagibani adoina loinana IDP resettlement taunanabagi process ta achobu thodang loriba lamdam asigi administration gi responsible officers sing amadi tongan ba leaders sing na IDP sing na leliba punsi mahing asi noma tongoi su lelaga moina thengnari ba hardship moina thengnari ba awana kudong cha do mayam punsi mahing sing ase masi noma tang khang taragadi maduda kayam nungai kayam wage habasi khangmang amagadi soidana makoina chahi ani makai hena lelalaga tamiba miyoising asida masi tawhaibra tawhaidabra base khangmang ngamgani haibagi madugi sense adu pinanaba madugi sense adu lawnanaba idamta hariba ahing lekpagi thabasi koi relief camp da ahing lekpagi thabasi chathajarpai adu madu torbungi koi kunsing hanjanba hore haidana kolakiba podadu ground gi assessment ama koi tawrusi hadana koi tim changjan jarubani adu hari mafam adu changjan jaru matamda torbung mamang lekai ko na su preparation di tawbudi hauraga nakhai sena ngarang changjali badu makti koi Pawak Chow mamang likay da changjan bani yung hungjan tri settle to bani aduga torbung makidi koi hobani natri aduga torbung gi oina su ayamba hungjan na bagi preparation tawdana security arrangement sing badana koi tawba horbagi mami dum tare tawdubu khara makai koi changjan ga da jaga khara da security gi rearrangement amadi relocate tawda ba area khara su leibana maram oiraga hair mafam adugi chap chapa bagi geographical map amadi area landmark na sing lawra ka koi puraga lakchare hairibam poching ase koi ngasi su hojin nungjen pung ahum tab matamda security advisor gi dai koi mifam phamna bagi koi hoji program lei hairiba meeting ase dai koi soidana hairiba maruina pawachai khai mamang lekai torbung amadi akoi bagi mafam sing ase gi kunanjan bagi matang ase koi security gi maruina issue sing ase review tongna bagi wasing tana jagani aduga loina na koi Imphal East ki DC ga su koi ngarang phaminai hai badugi matungin na koi itham amadi koi gi suna kanda dolai thabi amadi leitan popi gi ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯟꯅ ꯇꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯦꯞꯁꯦꯁ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯕꯦꯔꯦꯛ ꯁꯥꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯀꯗꯧꯕꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯇ ꯇꯞꯊꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯆ ꯏꯈꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯔꯕꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯊꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯞ ꯏꯊꯥꯏ ꯕꯦꯔꯦꯖ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯡꯂꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯞꯇꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ IDPꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ IDPꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯚꯥꯟꯁꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯃ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ